Good evening. Hello, everyone. It's too loud here. Patamsak.
Number 25,
Hi, Sir Stephen. Thank you for watching. Good evening, Cheryl. Good evening, Sir Stephen Martin. From You're looking beautiful always. Thank you, Sir Stephen. Are you from US, sir? Stephen from US. Thank you, Stephen. Thank you, sir. New York. Okay, New York, USA. Thank you for 1 million in the house. Vlogger Rohit 125R. What it means? Can you speak English, Vlogger Rohit? Vlogger Rohit. Can you please give the thumbs up? Thank you so much for thumbs up. Okay, one day I will come to meet you in person. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the 20 million in the house. Oh my God, can you please give the thumbs up? Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir Stephen. Thank you so much. Hi, salamat. Thumbs up one. Thank you for the 20 million in the house. How are you guys? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. 2 million na. 2 thumbs up na. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sabi ka. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Hi, 33. Oh my God. Thank you. Salamat. I told I've been to the Philippines before to Cebu. I will travel there again. Okay. Cebu, Cebuana, Bisaya. The Cebu is Bisaya. So you learn Bisaya language, Sir Stephen? Yes, you're in the province. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Stephen. Thank you for the 2 million in the house. Dati 20, ngayon 2 na lang. Nag-relayas. Having a basketball league here. It's definitely be hard to make her she's getting married in March. Yes, I'm getting married. I love you. Ano yung sabihin sa double? That's fine. She's getting married. Thank you, Sir Steven. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Sampung tugas mengalami bagi para saudara-saudara saluran perhotelan makanya transfer kontes kemudian itu ya mulai ini pak
What did Santos say, Sheryl? I don't know. I don't know what he said. I don't understand. Sheryl. Sheryl. Oh my God. Okay. Maybe it's something, sounds something like I spelled wrong. Okay. Wrong? Wrong? Ay, yes, I spelled Y with a C at first. That's why I'm Sheryl. I'm Sheryl. Baka liman ako man. Sayang kita man. Oo, bago kita. Thank you for the 4 million in the house. Thank you so thumbs up. Steve, ask how was your day? Someday we'll know. You know what? Outside have a beautiful lady. Sexy Filipina. You want to see? Look, look. I see the cow. The camera. Wait lang. So beautiful. And the Filipina here. The Filipina here is beautiful. They're beautiful. They didn't answer. What? Hi. Ay, budget na yung sabi mo. Yan. Thank you for the 5 people in the house. Thank you so much. When you hear and so many beautiful Filipino very beautiful. Beautiful than me, better than me. Doesn't answer him. What's his question? What is question? My day is beautiful. My day is good day. Hi, Cheryl. Hard to hear you. Yes, too loud here, Tita. Too loud here because having a basketball league now. Thank you for the thumbs up, Tita. Thank you, guys. Bye for now. Thank you, Tita, for joining here. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. God bless. Have a good day in Canada. Love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Elmer Music Lover. Hi, Elmer. Thumbs up host. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, Elmer Music Lover. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Kumusta po kayo? Thank you for the 5 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hello guys. And ganap. Have a nice day.
Number 10, Astros Manchikal, Professional.
Thank you for the 8 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hello. Ba't wala nagsasalita? Nanonood lang. Cheryl, go on live again after basketball. Yes. I need to end the live now. Too loud here. Bye-bye. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. God bless. See you later.